What we have here is what we term Sun. It's a science art project where we've taken a 7-meter diameter balloon, essentially, with a projector at the top, with a specialized lens system in order to project images from NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory into that spherical space and reproduce our closest star. So what you're seeing here is really what the sun looks like in extreme ultraviolet light, beyond the sort of range of light that our eyes are attuned to. We've been in many different places. We started off in Blackpool, would you believe, in Lancashire, as part of the Blackpool illuminations. And then unfortunately we had COVID, and that stopped us doing things for 2 years. But then we started up again, and we've been to a museum in Brussels, we've been to the Steam Museum in Swindon, we've done it in a really high-tech environment in Daresbury, where they have a linear accelerator, a particle linear accelerator, and then the sun beside it. But this is the first time we've done it in Scotland, and definitely the first time we've done it in the cathedral. So coming here to Orkney to do it at this stage has been very special for us. We try to be very careful of the environment we put the installation in. Hopefully you can see here it's been sort of squeezed into that space, hasn't it? And people are asking us, how did you manage to get something so big into the arches in that way? Well, you hang this off a very large projector, and then there's a double lens system before you have the balloon, which you inflate afterwards. And yeah, I think we have a rigger whose job it is to make sure it's safely done. We have a production manager who oversees the whole process to make sure all the parts which go together in the right way. And we have a technical sort of help and assistance that knows about the sound and the projection and everything else. So we have a team, if you include our PhD students who will be wandering around talking to people and explaining what you're seeing, but a team of 8 to sort of pull it all off with our time here in Orkney. You come away seeing the sun in a completely new light. You see it and experience it in ways you've never done before. And that requires both an understanding of the science, what is this, the sun, the star, electrified gases, the eruptions that come out from the sun, the importance for it here, the sun-earth connection for us here on Earth. But also the fact that we can take that science data and present it in a way that's beautiful, unique, inspiring and challenging, and you come away thinking, wow, that was an amazing experience, something that's unforgettable. And if people come away having learned a bit more about the importance of the sun, then I think we've done our job.